Welcome back to another video. In this video I will be getting started with Blynk IO, Blynk IoT app and Blynk server, Blynk cloud that they have launched newly, and they also launched Blynk 2.0 app which is Blynk IoT, and Blynk server as well. They have a newly website which is really amazing. I tried it and made a simple project for you, and that's what I'm gonna do today. And let's get started. Let's go to the website. Let me take you there first. That's the website, blynk.io. That's the address of the website. When you open it, you need to make an account on this website. Remember that the account that you will make here remember that the account that you will make here on this website, you need to use the same account in your cell phone in the Blynk app. Let me show it to you. That's the app. Yeah, that's the app. You need to log in with your same account right here. Right now it says add a device. There is no device in right now at this moment, so we need to add new device. I will tell you how you can do it, but you can also add that in this website as well. So first I will do, I will try log into this website. I will enter my credentials. When you log into the website, you will see this. There are 0 devices and nothing, only one member, that is you, of course. And you can do this by quick start button. You can use this guideline to make and get started with it, but it will give you a very long code. You will not understand, so I made it very simple process and very easy code, wrote a very easy code. So actually that's the code. So I will tell you that how you can use this code and how to do it. So let's go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. It says 0 devices. You need to click on this template and click on, wait, go back to the search, click on new template, and here you have to give a name to the device. Like I will say this switch, or I can say this relay, because I'm going to control the relay using ESP8266, because I have this node MCU lying around. I have this node MCU lying around. Right now it's running the sketch of Blynk. It's blinking an LED, but we are going to control this onboard LED with this Blynk IoT server, and I'm using ESP8266. It has a Wi-Fi chip. It is, and you can use the ESP32 as well. Both will work with this code that I have written. So let's go back to the dashboard. Select ESP8266, connection type Wi-Fi, and this is my relay, and click on done. When you're done, you can see there are other information on this side. You can manufacturer, yours will be changed, and here you can see the Blynk template ID and Blynk name that you have given here. If you try to change the name, it will also change here. Okay, if you change to like LED, it will change here also. So I will just go with relay and click to save. When you save it, you will see our device is saved. Go to metadata, and it's showing us the device name, owner, and everything. Go to data stream, click on edit, click on new data stream, virtual pin. Okay, this virtual pin will be on IoT cloud, Blynk cloud, and it will send the signal to the ESP8266, and it will tell the ESP8266 which on this virtual pin which other pin is integrated. So that digital pin will be controlled from uh, virtual pin from the cloud server. So let's go back to the dashboard. As you can see, field name I will say relay, and virtual pin 0. You can use other pins, uh, v1, v2, v7. Okay, so I'm using v0. Integer data type integer, and value minimum 0, maximum 1. Of course it's gonna switch 0 and 1, that's why we are using this. You can also change the color if you want, like I can use this one, and click done, click create, and now from here you can save it, and again go to web dashboard, and right here as you can see there is nothing shown here. Click edit and add a switch. That switch will be on the dashboard, and when we turn it on and off, it will send the signal from virtual pin to digital pin. On the virtual pin it will change the value of the virtual pin, and that data will goes to node MCU, and it will change trigger the relay to on and off. So go to settings of the switch and select the data stream, choose the v0, value 1 and 0, show also on off labels on the here. It will shows us the relay is on or relay is off. So I will type on here and off here, as you can see right here, and click on save. Right now it's right here. Click on save, and after that you are pretty much done here. Okay, this is the relay value. So let's go to this data stream. Now go to the search. Here we do not have any device, so go to click on this new device from template that we have created before, and choose the template relay. Device name should be relay. You can name it anything you want. Click on create, and here we have the relay. You can turn it on and turn it off. It's also giving us the device is offline, and here is also it's showing that status of the device is offline. So you have this Blynk template ID, device name, and authentication token, and you have to copy this code, and you need to remember this code. You can copy this code, and you need to replace this code in the original code, which is here. If you go to the Arduino sketch, you will see this code. You need to replace it, these three lines, with these three lines that are given here, and I will just copy it. And for example, accidentally you closed it and you don't know where to find it, you can just go to this device info tab right here, and you can find it here. You can just copy it again and go there and replace it, and I will just do that. I will replace this three lines. Now it's replaced, and as you can see, define print serial, define ESP8266 Wi-Fi, and Blynk simple ESP8266 authentication code, that authentication token, that one is here, and you need to type the your Wi-Fi SSID and password in this inverted commas, and now the main code is here, which is very easy, very simple. Blynk write v0, virtual 0 you need to write it, and in initial value parameter param as int serial print value of the pin. If the value is 1, digital write d4, the D4 of this the D4 of this node MCU is written for this code, because D4 is connected to this LED, onboard LED. You can type D7 or any other digital pin to connect the relay. So I am using this LED pin, which is D4. That's why I have written the D4 on this code. So let's go back to the code. It's very simple code. If the value is 1, digital write pin 4 high. If the value is 0, digital pin write low. Okay, and this is the serial print code. And in a void setup, blynk begin and blynk begin authentication, SSID and password. Pin mode D4 is output. D4 is our relay and it is configured as output pin. And in the loop, blynk dot run. That's the simple code. And now I will upload this code, and I will also show the progress down here, and you will see on the serial monitor as well. If I could, I will also open the serial monitor to share it with you. And that's the serial monitor, and I will upload the code. Uploading to IO board. When you will upload this code, you will see on this side the status of the device is right now offline. It will comes online. Here it shows offline. When the code is uploaded successfully, it will show us that device is online. So we will go to the dashboard and we will be able to turn on and turn off the device. Right now its device is offline. So let's wait for a while the code is being uploaded. After you are done with uploading the code, as you can see, the code is uploaded, done uploading. At the bottom you can see that the done uploading. Okay, now go to the website right here, and you can see that we have this relay button, and you can see the relay status is online. That means you can turn on and turn off the onboard LED. As you can see, the LED is turning on and turning off. It is reciprocal, because I am turning off and it's turning on. When I turn on, it turns off. You can make changes in the code, and let me show you the code so that you can understand. Right here on this code, you can just easily change this high to low, low to high, to make these changes, so that it can work accordingly that you are doing on the website dashboard. So that's how you can control a onboard LED, and you can add multiple relays with this node MCU. Let me show you on the bigger screen so you can understand that. If I try to turn on the LED, you can see when I press the relay button on off, it turns on off this LED. I am doing it. Now I will teach you how you can configure your app. Go to this Blynk IoT app. When you open this app, you can easily configure it, and you will go to the developer mode, and from there you can configure things. Okay, as you can see right now, it will show us the relay that we have configured in the dashboard, and you need to log in the same account that you have logged in there. Open this relay and set up the dashboard. Click on it, tap on it, and after that you will see the developer mode, this gear icon for the settings, and you can go back and click on these three lines and add the button. And after adding the button, you can just tap on it, give it a title, or you can just select the relay and also add the labels off and on, and convert it into switch, and just go back, and this is V0 that we have configured. That's all. and go back. These are the other settings that you can see. Go back and you can see the on off button. When you tap on it, it will turn on and off the LED on the node MCU. So that we have done so far. So thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.